Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020, and I'm outside picking up yellow leaves and putting them on tape and making a nature bracelet. I got a white dandelion.
You want to try to put some of the pieces on there?
Yeah. Put the stem on there.
Okay.
Then I put the flower on there.
Nice. Found another leaf?
Found a leaf and I put it on there.
Okay. You gonna put one on yours?
Yeah. I'll tear it into pieces and put it right here. Put it like right here.
Cool. I'm gonna put one on mine.
Put another one right here.
Cool. This is neat.
Put one right here. And I'll put one over here.
I like it.
And I'll put one like right here by the ground leaf. I'll put two on there. One. 2. One there and one here.
Cool.
Got it. I like my bracelet. Bye.